Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I want to take a look at this Parkside Cordless LED work light, and I picked this up a couple of days ago in my local Lidl store here in the UK. This is not a promotional video. I bought this with my own money and it was only £6.99, so I don't necessarily need one of these, but for that price and with it being cordless and rechargeable, I thought it was worth giving a go. So it's cordless, it's compact and it's quite bright. So I'm going to open it up now and give you a closer look at it. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this light. So I've read on the back that this main light here is 250 lumens in brightness, and then this spotlight at the front is 100 lumens. So here is the main light. First impressions of this, very bright. I haven't even charged it yet. This is just the juice that was already in it from when I took it out of the packet. So compared to a lot of my other torches, battery torches, the ones that you have to replace, this is brighter definitely. And I have a bivy light which I use for my night fishing, and it's probably as bright as that. So this front spot beam is also pretty bright as well, you can see, and I will show it in a moment in a dark room to give you a better idea of the brightness. So this one main switch activates on and off for both the lights. So you got main light, the next click is the spotlight, and then the next click turns it off. And it's a nicely weighted sort of, feels good quality, feels strong. Nice little light. It has this rubberized movable rest here which doubles up as a sort of handle, and there's a magnet on the bottom there, so I suppose you can connect it to some metal and it will stick. There's also another magnet on the back here, so you can connect it flat against something. Excuse me. And it's got this hook here to hang it up, which swivels, which is really cool. I like that feature, very useful. And it has the covered charging port here to protect it from dust and things getting into that port, and maybe a splash of water. And there's an indicator light there to let you know when it's fully charged. So in the box you also get the USB Type-C cable and the instruction manual. And it also says that it comes with a 3-year warranty. Very handy. So if we take a look at the back of the packaging, it's a 2-in-1 light with powerful LEDs, side light and front light with manual on and off switches, adjustable foot with a powerful magnet, and there's an extra magnet and the folding hook which I just showed, and it's got a protected charging port. So that's good in case you're out and you might get a few splashes on there or any dust going into the port. It just protects it from that. And a battery charge status indicator, and the included USB-C charging cable. And it says here 250 lumens on the main light and 100 on the front light. I just thought I'd show you the stand as well, so you can sit it flat, you could sit it straight up, that's no problem on a flat surface, even sideways. So you can imagine if you want to use it like this or like this, flat. And then you've also got the option of this stand, so really you can use it in pretty much any direction you want to use it in. And then if you want to hang it, you've got the hook as well. So I've plugged it into a standard USB connection for charging, and you can see the indicator light is red, and I presume that will go green when it's done. So now it's all charged and ready to go with the green light, and that took about 20 minutes to half an hour. And you can see here the battery capacity is 2000 milliamp hours, And now I've turned the lights off. It's the daytime, but I've turned the lights off in my workshop. And I mean, you can see that is quite effective in illuminating that area. Okay, so it's night time now and I'm in my workshop. It's pitch black and I'm going to turn on this torch. There we go. Just to give you an idea of how luminous it is, I'll put on the spotlight. There's the spotlight. The main light is, as you can see, very bright, very useful. And with the magnet here, I could even hook it up to, I've got these magnetic tool holders. I'll put it on there. And you can see I could work in here with just the torch. And you can see I've got it just on the desk there, just shining against all the tools on the wall. And that is a pretty useful amount of light considering that it is pitch black in here. You can clearly make out what's going on. And I'll just show you when I turn the light off, it's pitch black. You see? So, there you have it. So guys, that's it for the light. Would I recommend this light? Definitely for £6.99. A very useful item, not something that I was originally looking to buy, but for that price I think it's going to come in very useful. This main light here is pretty bright, as you can see, and it's illuminating that wall there easily. And the spot beam is also a nice little added feature for using it as a general torch. I'm pretty impressed with the quality and what this torch has to offer for £6.99. So if you're out in a Lidl store and you see one, I would highly recommend picking one up. As I say, this is not a promotional video. I just bought this with my own money a few days ago and I thought I'd share it with everybody just because I'm quite surprised just how good it is for the money, just for £6.99. So thank you very much for watching. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like and also comment, and also consider subscribing if you haven't already for more DIY related videos. And I also do tool reviews and gardening videos as well.